Thank you for sharing all those details with us. Moving on to some news that we're tracking from Bengaluru. Well, the Enforcement Directorate has arrested the directors of the Winszo Games app from Bengaluru for allegedly money laundering. The firm is accused of cheating, blocking accounts, impersonation and the misuse of complainants' PANs. Somia, Singh, Ratar and Pawan, Nanda were arrested late Wednesday night and produced before the Home Office of the concerned judge. The court has granted ED custody and directed each to produce them at 11:30 a.m. for a detailed argument on the department's remand application on November 18th and November 22nd. Remember, ED's Bengaluru zonal office conducted searches at 4 locations in Delhi and Gurgaon in the case of the Winszo Games app under the provision of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Winszo Games Private Limited is the business of online real money gaming service through its own app Winszo. During the searches, ED said that the alleged proceeds of the crime possessed by Winszo Games Limited worth around rupees 505 crores have been frozen in the form of bank balances, bonds, fixed deposits and mutual funds under Section 17 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. My colleague Belly Thomas is with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Belly, we're of course tracking information now from Bengaluru with regards to Winszo, which is a gaming app. What more can you tell us?
The Enforcement Directorate, Bengaluru zonal office have arrested the directors identified as Somia, Singh, Ratar and Pawan, Nanda of the Winszo Games app from Bengaluru for the alleged money laundering, and the firm is accused of cheating, blocking accounts, impersonation and the misuse of complainants, PANs and other official documents is what is being gathered by the Enforcement Directorate. Somia Singh, Ratar and Pawan, Nanda have been arrested on late Wednesday night and was produced before the Home Office of a concerned judge who granted ED their custody and directed them to produce them at around 11:30 a.m. on Thursday for a detailed arguments on the department's remand application. And on November 18th and 22nd, ED's Bengaluru zonal office have conducted searches at 4 locations in Delhi and Gurgaon in the case of the Winszo Games app under the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. And Winszo Games is in the business of online real money gaming services through its app Winszo. So during the searches, the ED said that alleged proceeds of crime possessed by Winszo Games Private Limited worth around 505 crore have been frozen in the form of bank balances, bonds, fixed deposits and mutual funds under Section 17 1A of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Earlier, ED had initiated an investigation on the basis of the FIRs filed against Winszo Games Private Limited and others on the grounds of cheating, blocking of accounts, impersonation and misuse of PAN cards. And it is also alleged that in the FIR that complainants' KYC details were also misused by the Winszo and the complainants have suffered substantial losses due to the fraudulent activities and cheating by the Winszo company and the others. ED said its investigation revealed that the Winszo company is operating real money games, RMGs, in foreign countries such as Brazil, the USA and Germany from India on the same platform used by the Indian entity. Even after the ban on RMGs by the Union government with effect from August 22nd, 2025, an amount of rupees 43 crore is still held by the company without refunding to the gamers and customers. The ED officials further stated that the Winszo Private Limited was engaged in alleged criminal activities and unscrupulous practices with customers playing with algorithms or software without being made aware of the fact that they are not playing any humans on the other side. And Winszo has also prevented and limited withdrawals of monies held by the customers in the wallets of Winszo Private Limited. And as per the Enforcement Directorate, Winszo Private Limited also generated proceeds of crime in the form of bet amounts placed and lost by real customers through the unscrupulous use of such algorithms and software which are received by the entity in the bank account.
All right, Belly, thank you for sharing all those details with us. Moving on to some more breaking news that we are tracking at this point in time. A big